What if I told you the richest people in 2025 aren't smarter than you? They just know this one wealth blueprint. And the best part? You can start today, even with $0. Stick around, because in 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how. Here's the lie you've been sold: you need money to make money. Wrong. In 2025, wealth is built on 3 free things: 1. Knowledge. 2. Habits. 3. Time. Let me prove it. Meet Alex, a 22-year-old who started with zero by using just these 3 steps. He hit 10K in 6 months. Step 1. The 1-hour wealth audit. Open your bank app right now. Circle every charge that didn't make you richer. That's your wealth leak. Step 2. The 5 rule. Every time you're about to spend, ask yourself that could this 5 turn into 50? If not, invest it instead. Use apps like Acorns or Robinhood to auto-invest spare change. Step 3. The no list. Stop doing this list. Wealthy people say no to 3 things: toxic debt, like payday loans, time wasters, doom scrolling, and fake shortcuts, like crypto pump and dumps. Here's the 2025 game changer. Turn your learning into earning. Watch one finance video, teach it to 3 people, read a book, summarize it on Reddit. This builds 2 wealth muscles: knowledge and influence. And guess what? Influence is the new currency. Your homework: do the 1-hour wealth audit today, then comment "audit done" below. I'll reply with a free tool to track your progress. And if you want the exact apps and books that helped Alex go from 0 to 10K, smash subscribe. The next video drops Tuesday. I'll show you how to turn your phone into a $500 per month cash machine. See you then.